My name is Hussain Javed and you are watching my channel Education Vessel. We are talking about trigonometry. Today we have a new topic of trigonometry, that is quadrantal angles. Let's see what are quadrantal angles. Quadrantal angles lie on the standard position. Basically the standard position is on x-axis and y-axis and they are multiples of 90. Okay, let's understand it with the help of x-axis and y-axis. This is x-axis and it's also known as horizontal axis, and this is y-axis. And if you go in the anti-clockwise direction from this side, this is quadrant number 1, this is quadrant number 2, this is quadrant number 3, this is quadrant number 4. And if you go in the anti-clockwise direction, you will get positive quadrantal angles. Quadrantal angles lie on these edges, okay? These edges, okay? And they are also multiples of 90. Okay, here is 0 degree, and then 0 plus 90 you will get 90 degree, and 90 plus 90 you will get 180 degree, and 180 plus 90 you will get 270 degree here, and 270 plus 90 you will get 360 degree here, 360 degree here, and 360 plus 90 you will get 450 degree here, and 450 plus 90 you will get 540 degree, and 540 plus 90 you will get 630, and 630 plus 90 you will get 720. On this pattern you can move in the anti-clockwise direction and you will get more and more quadrantal angles. You can find thousands and hundreds of quadrantal angles. These are positive quadrantal angles. Let's see what negative quadrantal angles, what will be the direction of negative quadrantal angles. Okay, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is quadrant number 3, this is quadrant number 4, okay? And it starts from here, 0 degree, and if you move in the clockwise direction from this side, then you will get negative quadrantal angles. Here minus 90 degree, then here minus 180 degree, here minus 270 degree, and here minus 360 degree. And here you will get minus 450 degrees. Similarly, you will get here minus 540 degree, and here minus 630 degree, and here you will get minus 720 degree. Okay, similarly on the previous pattern, you can move on in the clockwise direction and get more and more negative quadrantal angles. Okay, let's see how to read this y-axis, this is x-axis. Let's see how you can write the quadrantal angles in the form of radian. Okay, the 0 degree in the form of radian is 0, and here 90 will become pi by 2 in the radian, and 180 is pi radian, and 270 degree is 3 pi over 2 radian, and 360 degree is 2 pi radian. Okay, today in this lecture we discussed quadrantal angles and positive quadrantal angles, negative quadrantal angles, how you can show the angles in degree into the radian. And today's lecture is over. If you have any question, please write in the comment section below or send me an email mentioned in the description. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.